Today is a good day to get bonked. Bonk, 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 bonk. Am I turning insane? No, I'm not. I'm presenting you the official announcement on the Bonk Telegram channel. Now, Bonk is doing very well. It's up 58% today alone. The whole week was rather positive. We almost doubled. And if you're wondering, I've done a lot of videos on Bonk on this channel. The first one being on November 20th. It was an above average performing video. That was when the price was over here. Since then, we pretty much 10x'd. Now, the big old question is always, why do we see this recent rally? Who's buying, who's selling here? And as usual, I like to look at data. So let's do exactly that. This is the number of first-time traders versus recurring traders on any given day in the last 90 days. And this is a very nice measure to see whether or not the current investor base for Bonk is growing or it's shrinking. Because when there's a lot of new first-time traders, the investor base is growing and the price is likely going to rise from there. So have a look at this. This is the 8th of December. That was over here. And afterwards, we pretty much doubled in just a few days. Recently, though, the number of recurring traders is exceeding the number of first-time traders. So the rally does not seem to be driven by new people entering. It seems to be driven by current investors that might be doubling down. Alternatively, it could also be manipulation, right? It could be games by the whales. Let's dive a bit deeper. Bonk is somewhat of an atypical meme coin because the supply isn't yet 100% circulating. We still have outstanding supply. Only 70% roughly is circulating. And with new supply hitting the market, the price might go down. Now have a look at this. This is token.unlocks.app and check out this vertical line here. This is today. We see how funds for the Bonk DAO and for marketing is unlocking. Now in theory, this should be bad, right? When there's more supply suddenly floating around that gets spent for marketing, why is the price suddenly shooting up? I have the impression that it's not only me who's watching those kind of unlocked charts. A lot of people actually do. And most people bet on falling prices when those unlocks happen, which does make sense. But here's the problem. When most people bet on falling prices, guess what? If centralized exchanges have a lot of ownership in a token, they can manipulate the price, causing liquidations. And liquidations are very juicy for the Binances of this world. They make a lot of fees with this. Have a look at where Bonk is mainly traded now. It's not anymore on Orca. It's not anymore on a decentralized exchange. It's on Binance. It's on Coinbase. It's on Bybit. And on top of the spot market trading, we also have the perpetual futures markets. $666 million worth of bets on the Bonk token on Binance alone. If you add all of this up, this is more than $1 billion. Now imagine you own a lot of the token and at the same time you offer bets on the price of the token. This is pretty much what's going on. I do believe that especially in this current bull market that the marketing spend of Bonk will probably have a positive ROI. I do believe that the dilution might not be a problem. The token dilution will likely be well spent and new investors will come in. So far though, we don't see those new investors just yet. We can see on-chain how it's mainly the existing investors that are trading this. And so medium term, I think Bonk looks fine in this bull market. It's likely going to continue to go up. Short term though, there might be some manipulation in this simply because too many people might have bet on falling prices, thus causing a short squeeze. That's probably what we're seeing here. If it's the first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. If you want to get access to this tool, besides others, then feel free to check out the premium membership. It's thebitcoinstrategy.com. Link is down below. And if you've got Telegram, there's a free Telegram. Link is as well down below.